to JP Chawla & Co. LLP podcast. I'm your host Richa Chawla, Direct Tax and International Tax Partner. Thanks for tuning into the Income Tax series. Today, we will talk about updates on TDS, tax deducted at source, and tax collected at source, TCS. Let's get started. In order to widen and deepen the tax net related to the TDS and TCS of the Income Tax Act 1961, the following new sections has been introduced by Finance Act 2021, and these sections are applicable from July 1, 2021. The first section is Section 194Q. This section is applicable on purchase of goods. The buyer of goods whose turnover exceeds INR 10 crore is required to deduct TDS on purchase of goods when the total value of purchases exceeds INR 50 lakhs during the year. TDS is required to be deducted at the time of payment of credit in the books of accounts, whichever is earlier. TDS is to be deducted at the rate of 0.1% of the amount exceeding INR 50 lakhs. The second section is 206AB. This section is a special provision introduced for higher deduction of TDS for those persons who have not filed income tax return for the 2 previous years and the total TDS deducted or TCS collected exceeds INR 50,000 in any of the 2 previous years. TDS is to be deducted at higher rate of the following rates: at twice the rate specified in the relevant provision of the Act, or at twice the rate or rates in force, or at the rate of 5%. The another section is 206CCA. This section is a special provision introduced for higher collection of TCS for those persons who have not filed the income tax return for 2 previous years and the total TDS deducted or TCS collected exceeds 50,000 in any of the previous 2 years. TCS is to be deducted at the higher of the following rates: at twice the rate specified in the relevant provision of the Act, or at the rate of 5%. That brings us to the end of this episode. We hope this update on TDS TCS was beneficial to you. Thanks for listening to JP Chawla & Co. LLP podcast. For more detailed updates, do check our website www.jpc.co.in. Thank you.